Here's another build that just got completed. Again, very proud and super happy with how this one turned out. The thing about this website that's a little different is I hand create these vehicles with the truck wrapped, of course, in the logo of the business. I create these from a baseline sketch, and it very much adds to the appeal and sticks out for your customers that are trafficking around. It immediately pulls them in. They want to know more. And yeah, this is an incredible addition to the site itself, which is, as you can see, incredibly beautiful as well. Um, yeah, so again, we've got the accreditations that are running down here in sequence. We've got a gallery of pictures. We have got, sorry, I don't know why that's. We've got the tally runners right here, which of course count up all of the numbers. We've got a gallery with drop downs and expanding additional information. Then we've got a menu of all of the highlighted offers. Obviously, these pop up. We've got steps to getting a new roof. We've got services that are more than highlighted. Obviously, click to read more. We've got another gallery right here. We've got testimonials from the clients. And then we've got another frequently asked questions section right here. We've got form submits, we've got service area locations, and then we come to the bottom, of course, which is the footer, and then we've got a map. This is the in Wisconsin. Obviously, like I said with the last one, there is a ton of additional pages. However, I just wanted to showcase this part.